Yeah,
Hey guys, this is Anil.
pictures of the kids.
I am a realtor. I came to meet this Adeline. Adeline called me. She's selling her house. She well maintained. And look at her age. And she gave me 2 emails. And the way she gave me emails were like, I was surprised.
Actually, I have 4 or 5 emails, but that too is just fine.
4 and 5. And now let's talk about the story. Okay, let's talk about our family. Look, that's her.
Turn on the light.
No, people can see.
Yeah. Oh, okay. They can see, but that's
Yeah.
me. That's me. And the kids. Now the kids are all grown. They're all now professionals.
Till date. What is the one lesson you will have for people like us and the young kids? Like, what is the one lesson?
Just be very, very caring with your kids. Be always connected with them. Show them that you're interested in them, that it is for their future, not for you. Because when you are a parent, and we know this, culturally we have to insist, you tell them, I'm helping you for your future. It's not for me. Because a gift of education is a gift of a lifetime. Nobody can take it away from you. You know what I'm saying? So that's why all my kids are college graduates.
Nice.
Because you talk to them, not putting your personality, but allowing them to understand that it's love that is pushing you to let them understand the difference of, of just
Education.
education opens the door. It's
Opens
like
the
a
door.
passport or a ticket to any special occasion, like what do you have, concerts or whatever. So when you have the ticket, then you can open the door.
Very nice.
First, education. Education makes them more caring. Because you see, we are one world. You live in another part of the world, that doesn't mean that you're different or you're better. No. We are all God's creation. We're all the same from God. Our talent are all different. It's not all the same. But if you use your talent to the fullest potential, then
Definitely, it's so nice meeting you. You
Nice meeting you too.
It's such a connection. I'm really feeling like getting a blessing that the aura is coming. There are a lot of stories I can talk about you because you bought a house. She must have made equity. So that's another thing I wanted to talk to you maybe next time, because that will definitely motivate a lot of clients.
Yes.
Because you took initiative of educating your kids, and then your grandkids all are educated, and then you bought a house. Now you selling it, and she's doing a good bargain. She's not giving it off like as if like, oh, you know what, you are tough and I like it, So thank you so much, Adeline.
It's so nice to talk to you. I will stop again, but like I said,